Almost to the end. Two more left. Let's go with the Badee Sublime, shall we? Another one I wasn't too intrigued about, but I want the whole Badee line, so the collector in me. So same presentation as the other one. You know, the coffer. This one's just red. Really like the bottles. These Badee bottles. Thank you, Initio. Let's see. Yeah, not my style of scent at all. It gets compared to a couple scents. Something from some company. I think it's Juicy Apple or something like that. By Aiden or something. But I guess Seductive Red too, by Guess. Very feminine. You know, as I expected. It's not, I didn't expect this to be anything that I'd actually probably wear consistently. Yeah, you do pick up all them fruits, apple and lychee that's in it, and plum. A bit of a rose vibe. Sweet, fruity scent. Touch of florals. Yeah, nothing I'll ever probably. I mean, I'll wear it just especially for a day with, but I don't know. But I'm glad I have it because it goes with the collection. All right, guys, I'll be back with the last one.